Hey y'all, Nickie Brown here. No matter where you are and what part of the world you are in, I hope that you are having a good day. So, I just took some of my coconut. Let's see. Um, this comes from Whole Foods. So, I have coconut, peach nectar juice, fresh ginger, um, frozen peaches, some aloe vera, a little bit of agave, and I made this juice and it is delicious. So it's also going to help to cleanse and detoxify the body as well and reduce some inflammation. So I just wanted to share that with y'all. I'm about to pour it into here. It came out a little slushy because of the frozen ingredients, but by the time it refrigerates, it'll be more juicy, and I'll just shake it up. But yeah, that's it. It's delicious too. Hope this was helpful. Love y'all. Later.